In our latest long-term support release, we made a big improvement to item and activity titles. Now, of course, we're always trying to remove friction from the authoring experience. Time is money. And this improvement helps authors search for content more easily. So you can now display item and activity titles depending on where you are, as well as their codename references together in the same view. Now, this of course can help authors identify exactly what they're trying to work on, what they're looking for, what they're searching for, and to avoid any confusion around content that might have been duplicated or similarly named items. We want to prevent accidents that could break live assessments. So as you can see here, we have a couple that are untitled, okay, but we have these ones that do use the title. So it's just another way that you can find items, exactly what you're looking for while you're looking for it. If you have any other questions about this improvement, or of course anything else from the 2021.2.LTS release, you can email marketing@learnosity.com for more details. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.